Hello everyone, hoping that you are doing good. Now we are going to discuss some problems in time and work. The first problem is A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job in dash. The question he given is A can do some work in 16 days and B can do the same work in 12 days. By taking the help of C, with the help of C, they completed the complete work in 4 days. If C does the same job alone, in how many days can he complete? That is the question he asked. Now let's move on to the answer. As given, A equal to 16 days. In 1 day he completes 1 by 16 work. B equal to 12 days. B completes the work in 12 days. In 1 day he completes 1 by 12 work. And A plus B plus C is 4 days he has given. And C alone work we have to find out. So what we'll do? We'll add the ABC work. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C equal to 1 by 4. The work done by 1 day we'll add. That gives 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. Here in right hand side we have 1 by 4. We'll bring it to left hand side and we have to find out the C. So we'll send it to the right hand side. We'll subject it. After a simplification we'll get like this. Here the LCM is 16 and 12. 4 is the factor of 16 and 12. So it is eliminated. Don't multiply the 16 and 12 here because it becomes complicated and it consumes your time in the examination. So put it like that only and simplify. 28 minus 48 by 16 into 12 equal to minus 1 by C. That gives 20 by 16 into 12 equal to 1 by C. Minus gets cancelled. Finally, by cross multiplication we get C equal to 48 by 5 days. What is this 48 by 5 days? This is the alone work. C's alone work. That is C equal to 5. 5 9s are 45. Remainder is 3 by 5 days. Like this we have to calculate. When big numbers are coming, don't multiply. And if you multiply, that becomes complicated. So let's move on to the second question. Next question is, if 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 26 men and 48 boys can do the same in 2 days, the time taken by 15 men and 20 boys in doing the same type of work will be dash. Let's move the answer. The question he has given is, some boys and men and boys working for certain days, and within how many days the 15 men and 20 boys do the work. Let's see. In the question he has given 6 men plus 8 boys equal to 10 days, completes in 10 days. In 1 day they will complete 1 by 10 work. Consider it as equation 1. In the second condition he has given that 26 men plus 48 boys completes in 2 days. So in 1 day they will complete 1 by 2 work. Consider it as equation 2. Now he has asked is 15 men plus 20 boys can complete in how many days? Observe the equation 1 and 2. If multiply the equation 1 with 6, it becomes 6 6 36 men and 6 8 48 boys. Here boys gets cancelled and we'll get the men value. So we'll multiply the equation 1 with 6 and subtract the equation 1 with 2. After multiplying with 6 we get 36 men plus 48 boys equal to 6 by 10 and put the equation 2 as it is. 26 men plus 48 boys equal to 1 by 2. After subtraction we get 10 men equal to, and 48 boys gets cancelled, 6 by 10 minus 1 by 2. After simplification we get 10 men equal to 1 by 10. Men equal to 1 man equal to 1 by 100. What is this 1 by 100? 1 by 100 is the work done by a single man in single day. 1 by 100 is the work done by a single man in single day. So the man value is 1 by 100. Now substitute this man value in equation 1 or 2. We will substitute in equation 1. So 6 into 1 by 100 plus 8 boys equal to 1 by 10. This is the equation 1. And on simplification we get 1 boy equal to 1 by 200. It means 1 boy can do 1 by 200 work in 1 day. So we have got the men value and boy value. We can substitute these values in this expression. 15 men plus 20 boys equal to question. That is the question and we have to find out the answer. 15 into 1 by 100 plus 20 into 1 by 200. LCM is 200. Since 100 is a factor of 200, so we get 50 by 200 and 1 by 4 in one day. What is this 1 by 4? This is the 1 by 4 is the work completed by 15 men and 20 boys in one day. In how many days they complete the complete work? We'll just reverse it. On reversing we get 4 days. Like that we have to solve the answer. In next video we will discuss some other problems. Thank you.